For my lesson, I did a lesson over the water cycle. The objective for my students would be the students will be able to list different stages in the water cycle. This is where we would also have exploration or investigations over what the water cycle involves, how the water cycle works, and talk about things that can happen within our environment within the water cycle. And then I will show them this video over the water cycle.
Hello friends, and welcome to another new Happy Learning video. Today we will learn all about the water cycle. Earth, which is the planet we live on, is known as the blue planet because as much as 3/4 of the planet's surface is water. And water is so very important because without it there would be no life. Without it, these sweet little otters wouldn't exist. Or these playful bears. Nor this conceited bird. Or even us, the human beings. That is why we must look after it. We should conserve our water well. And most of all, we must maintain our rivers and oceans clean. Did you know water never stands still, but is in always constant movement, even though at times it doesn't seem like it? This water movement is what we call water cycle. Now, let's learn more about it. When the sun warms the water on the Earth's surface, it evaporates, converting itself into water vapor or steam. And it begins its incredible journey, flying into the sky, up towards the atmosphere. This first stage of its journey is known as evaporation. When the water converts in vapor, it rises towards the atmosphere, then cools down.
I thought this was a good video to show the students because it has a lot of good language for students to be able to learn all the different parts of the water cycle, and that it talks about how everything on Earth is dependent on the water cycle. I'd also have students write down 3 parts of the water cycle that they learned during this video, or 3 important facts about the water cycle. I would then show them this one and ask them what part of the picture is evaporation, and have them give me an answer. And then I would show them that E is the part that is evaporation.